Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about table designs in Excel. So we are having different designs in tables. So those things we will discuss in this class. And let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So in sheet 1, I have presented some data here, right? So I want to create a table for this data. So how can you create it? Just you have to drag it like from A1 to F22. You have to drag it like this. And you have to go to the insert and click on table and click on OK. So now the table is created, right? Now the table is created. So here you will be having the table design. You will be having the table design. So you'll be having all the options here and you can see, right, the table styles. So here, the based upon your requirement and your interest, you can select the color. If I select green, it will select green, and you'll be having black and gray color, and we'll be having blue color and the orange color. And if you want more colors, you have to click on this down arrow button. Then you can see all the designs, right? And you can use the upper arrow also. And if you want to see all the styles at once, then click on this. Then you can be having the light styles and the medium styles. And so the based upon your requirement, you can select the design. And if you want to create a new table style, then click on the new table style and you have to specify this name, the table style name. And you can type the table element. So we'll be having whole table, first column stripe, second column stripe, first row stripe, second row stripe, last column, first column, header row, total row, first header cell, last header cell, first total cell, and last total cell. So based upon your requirement, you can select it. And the preview you can see, right? You can see here. And I want a whole table. I will select the whole table. So when you select the first column stripe, you can see, right? You'll be having the different stripes. For example, if I select 5, you can see, right, the bold got increased. And so I have selected the first column stripe and I've selected the strip size and the preview and set as default table style for this document. Don't select this and click on OK. So it will be selected. It will be selected. So if you want to clear the styles, then click on this. The whole styles will be gone. The whole styles will be gone. So in this way, we can design the tables in Excel. So I hope you understand how to design tables in Excel. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.